Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday, first day of the weekend. I'm going to get straight to it. First, actually, it's a little chilly this morning. It's like 53, 54 degrees here in Sutter County, California. Yeah, hence the sweatshirt. Last night, the culinary expedition was in the country of Georgia. And where I prepared, I'm going to attempt the Georgian chakobile, something like that, which basically translates to pheasant-style stew. It's got several names. Another one, the original title that I saw was a Georgian chicken stew with herbs. Okay. It's really good. I'm going to remember, this is not the stew like we know, like a beef stew that we know here in the States. Robin was over last night, or actually yesterday afternoon. Yeah. This is the second kind of style of stew, this style of stew I have done this week. Basically, chicken that has been seared, whether in spices or not, and then basically simmered, or what I call a stovetop braise on a bed of vegetables. The first vegetables from earlier in the week was onions, and last night's Georgian dish was tomatoes. And they had onions and some other other goodies in it too. But they're basically the same method. If you haven't seen the picture of last night's Georgian meal, please take a look. Because there is no video. Let's just say I had a technology mishap. Oops. But I learned my lesson. I learned a lesson. And I'll know more for today's cooking demo. Technology, gotta love it. So it was really good. It was good. Try it. You wouldn't know it was, Eastern European. You would think this is something that came out of the United States. It was really good, or maybe like Italian. Just not without the Italian herbs. So, try it. The recipe will be there. Or you can go to my website and get the recipe from there. Today is not an expedition day. Even though today I am preparing Hungarian mushroom soup. Now, I've told you what the low is right now. The high here in Sutter County is only supposed to be like 71 or 72 degrees. I mean, it's not a cold snap, but it's the coolest day we've had since summer. So it's perfect soup weather. So yeah, again, I'm doing Hungarian mushroom soup. This is a day I can mess with the recipe as much as I want. So let's get to it. All right, the basics for this recipe, obviously mushrooms. This is about 8 ounces of creminis. Onion, there's plenty of onion in this. I'm adding garlic. There's butter, flour for thickening, sour cream, parsley, not just garnish, but it's actually in the soup itself. Of course, kosher salt, black pepper, chicken stock, whole milk, just a splash or two of soy sauce, some lemon juice to brighten it up, Hungarian paprika, one of my favorites, and some dried dill. Like I had mentioned just a moment ago, this is a soup I can mess with. I probably won't mess with it so much after this. I've been looking forward to this one since I found it. So hopefully I'll have a video for you for tonight, or you can view it tomorrow or anytime in the future. Enjoy this cooler weather because it's going to get cold, probably in about 6-8 weeks. But I'm not Al Roker. So I know I've talked a lot about the weather today. So on this Saturday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.